Egumizza bannayuganda ku mbeera y'ebyokwerinda bwako mu kiseera kino ng'eggwanga lyolekera okulonda kw'omukulembeze w'eggwanga n'ababaka ba paalamenti ku lwokuna lwa sabbiiti eno. Ng'ayogerako eri bannamawulire ku kitebe kya poliisi e Naguru, akulira poliisi n'omuntu wa bulijjo AIGP Ubaldo Bamunoba asabye bannayuganda obuteeraliikirira ku byokwerinda ebinywezeddwa mu kiseera kino ng'agamba nti buli kimu kikoleddwa okukakasa nga obutebenkevu busigalawo mu ggwanga mu kiseera ky'okulonda.
The prisons, the UA and intelligence agencies get to know that we have dominated the entire country, both within the suburbs, the rural areas, the cities, and at the polling areas, the tally centers. So we have enough security. Let's not go into the numbers. We have enough security and very sufficient to protect you. That's the assurance I can give. There's no cause for worry.
Ono akinogaanyizza nga bwe bakozesa enkola y'okuziyiza kusinga okuwonya.
So kindly do not resist security guidance. Do not resist when you are advised to extend or to be away for purposes of creating order. The answer is obvious. Don't ask me what will happen to me.
Mu ngeri y'emu akubiriza abantu okukuuma emirembe era n'abasaba okudda ewaka nga bamaze okulonda.
Those listening and watching, let's follow security advice. The security has advised that be away, comply, and it is the duty of the agent to act on behalf of the candidate, to see what is going on, to participate in the tallying of the results, receive the results on behalf of the candidate, and then they are transferred to the National Tally Center. So what is the work of the voter who has cast his or her vote at the polling station? So kindly follow the security guidelines.
Bannamawulire nabo alina obubaka bw'abawadde.
Comrades, you're part of us. Wherever things have not gone right in one or another, your safety has been compromised. We are very sorry. But as you know, maybe that is part of the occupational hazard. However, we promise to do our best. And I'm assuring you that we have addressed you often. The IGP has assured you that the police enjoys a cordial relationship with you. And you are very, very necessary in helping to broadcast to the world what is happening in the arena of security. So we cannot do away with you. And therefore, I'm assuring you that we have sat and also done inner introspection and realize how important you are and your safety is very, very critical. Be rest assured that your security is guaranteed.
Maido John yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Racket TV amalindirire.